Hi guys, so it was just a little quick video basically to say it's been 2 weeks since I had my system fitted. I use this pretty much a standard lifestyle, but in terms of I do go gym in the evenings and whatnot, so I just kind of wanted to give people a bit of reassurance of where it stands after sort of 2 weeks in terms of fitting, blow drying, wash dry. As you can see, hardly any lift or anything here. Um, yeah, still completely firmly attached. Hair is in still very good condition. You just wouldn't even bloody know that it's not my hair. Yeah. So there's 2 weeks. I will be going to HQ this week only because I fancy to have it basically cleaned and updated. But other than that, yeah, this is 2 weeks in. Hair is still fully attached. Pulling that now. There's no release whatsoever. But yeah, if you have any questions, again, give HQ a call. Message me if you want. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.